Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to Doughfish Productions Reviewer, where we're reviewing a Mass Effect fanfiction today. This fanfiction is called Mass Effect Raven by R3dRaven, or Red Raven, whatever you want to call it. The summary is this: it didn't know how I ended up on the Citadel, or what I did know was that my chances of survival were higher if I could find refuge aboard the Normandy. So I took a gamble and joined the hunt for Saren. Unfortunately, my real life is not as easy as a game, but still, I wouldn't have missed it for anything. Now, this story is quite different compared to other Mass Effect fanfictions I have read. This is a perfect self-insert into the Mass Effect universe with realistic logic applied. It is an amazing story that I would highly recommend to read. I would give it a 8 out of 10 just because it is confusing, because it is mainly, actually it's only really in OC's point of view, or his friends, who was also transferred to this universe. But it is a perfect story to read, and interesting how he messes with the crew of the Normandy. I would highly recommend it, and that is about all I have to say for this story. It is a good story, and there's hardly anything wrong with it the way it is told. There's a lot of grammar problems, but he's not really writing it with grammar on thought. He's writing it trying to tell like a war story, kinda. That's what I think when I read it. It's very interesting, and you don't really see this prospect of the story in other fan fictions. That is all. See you in the next fanfiction story.